Hello, welcome to Last Barbecue. Let's make turkey, beans, and cheese-filled zucchini boats. In a frying pan, put a little bit of oil. I'm using garlic oil, about 1 tablespoon, and then I've got 1 pound of minced turkey. It's frozen, so I'm cooking this slowly and just scraping off a little piece of the surface at a time, just like so. And that's how I'm going to break it down. Then I've got this huge zucchini, or to me it's huge anyway, which I'm cutting in half and then with a spoon removing the seeds. Once the seeds are all gone, I'm putting about half a tablespoon of garlic oil in each, wiping them down, and then I'm seasoning with Spike's Original Seasoning. It's pretty good all-purpose seasoning found in any department store or any grocery store. And then once they're seasoned, into the oven, broil at 420 or so for maybe 10 minutes until the flesh is soft. The meat is starting to be thawed, and I'm using Italian seasoning and just mixing it all in. Then I've got half a pound of green soybeans, edamame beans, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of grated sharp cheese, just mixing that together. The cheese is going to melt slowly, and about now the zucchini is done. I'm leaving that the liquids in there and just adding the filling as much as it could take actually. I got it all in there in the end. Then I've got some cambozola, which is like a brie cheese that I've sliced up into a couple of slices, just to add a little bit more cheese to this, just like so. Then under the broiler again, everything is done now, so we just need to melt the cheese under the broiler until it's completely melted, and this is what we have. This actually is served for. There we go, turkey filled zucchini, that's right. That was really, really good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.